Hi and hello and happy Wednesday. I'm Alex. I'm a personal trainer and fitness instructor here at NPTI Orlando. And today's Walmart item of the week is this Athletic Works Steps and Distance Pedometer. Now this awesome little tool can clip straight onto your pants for the person that's looking to start counting their steps. If you don't have a smartwatch like myself, this is cool to have in your fitness arsenal. I'm going to have a student try it on, show you how it works, and talk you through it, and we'll go from there. Now this is my student Rachel. Rachel, give him a wave. She's going to try on the pedometer, get on the treadmill, and we're going to show you how it works. All right, so Rachel is wearing the pedometer. She's walking on the treadmill, and as she walks, it is counting her steps in the empirical system, meaning it's counting in miles. If you push the little gray button on the front of the device, it can switch it so you can see the measurements in miles, or you can click it back to see just the steps. Once again, I'm Alex from NPTI. This is the steps and distance pedometer you can find at your local Walmart for about $10. Go out and find it today.